Hello from Embedded World in Nuremberg, Germany. My name is Eric Smiley with embedUR Systems. I'd like to present to you today an innovative Edge AI solution that our engineering team has created on the Infineon PSoC Edge platform. This is a MCU with an NPU accelerator for Edge AI applications. This is a unique kitchen appliance concept, a smart kitchen appliance. Imagine cameras in your refrigerator and/or in your pantry that can visualize what ingredients you have available within your home, identify those ingredients, and then present to you actually a recipe that you can create with the available ingredients. So there are multiple models running within the PSoC Edge. One is a wake word detection model so that you can speak to the device and ask it what the ingredients are or what the recipe is from the available ingredients. And then of course there's a vision model where the camera is looking at the ingredients in your pantry or your fridge and identifying them. So for example, if you can see here, we have some blackberries, and the system is seeing those blackberries and identifying them. It will take a picture, which is of the same blackberries, identify them, recipe, and immediately present to me what recipes we can make with those ingredients. If you're interested in building an application like this, please reach out to embedUR Systems today. Thank you.
embedUR. Imagine it. Done.